Okay, so I'll take you through how you can set up your Payoneer account. Um, so you first click on the link I sent, and the browser should open it for you. Okay, so you head straight to this area, sign up and earn $25. So at this side, you want to choose I am a freelancer, and then I'm looking to get paid by international clients for freelance marketplace. Then you head to the you head straight to the register button. So you want to choose you are an individual. Yes, leave it as it is. Then your first name. So sake of this, I'm going to use any name. Okay, comment. Okay, and I'm going to use any email that you want to use. So let me see. The date of birth, but make sure you use your correct date of birth. Okay. You choose your location, your address, and that kind of thing. Then hit to send. Okay. So at least I want to use it as a personal account. Okay, you choose your country. Then you want to enter the bank, then the bank number, bank account number. So for this side, for the Swiss code, you can just call your bank. They can get you the Swifts or the BIC code. I think it's the bank identification code. You can check their sites, they might have it, but I think it's better you call them and then they give you the code. Okay, so they're going to review your account. Okay, after they are done reviewing the account, they're going to send you an email, and then your account will be set. Okay, your account will be set for you to link it to your U-Test account. Okay, now I'll make another video to cover how you can link your U-Test account to your Payoneer, or how can you link the Payoneer to the U-Test account, so that anytime you receive any payment on the U-Test, they can send it to that particular account that you've linked to it. I think that is that.